Welcome to Video Service Information. Looking at this 2011 Chevy Equinox. Customer's complaint was engine noise and check engine lights on. Vehicle's got around 90,000 miles on it. It's got the 2.4 in it, 4-cylinder. Scanned it for codes and we got a P0011, which is bank 1 intake camshaft, is more advanced than what the electronic control modules commanded it. The error in timing is from the timing chain that's stretched, and you'll be able to hear it in this upcoming video. Check the engine oil, it is full. Check for any external leaks, nothing found on it. You can see where the slapping noise is coming from because this top retainer for the timing chain is actually broke off. The chain had been slapping the back side of the valve cover. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe.